Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back. So we have another unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing 3 boxes, blind boxes, dun sa dalawa, and 1 box ng Funko Pop. So we have here Life of Fantasies. This is by 52 Toys. I was able to open a few boxes of this series. Hindi itong mismong series, I mean this line of figures, and napakaganda yung Elf series, Sleeping series. Yon, napakaganda nung nung mga figures na nakuha ko. And etong isang box na i-open natin, though kita naman na kung ano to. This is a free item we got from the place we're getting yung mga Funko, or rather yung mga Pop Mart natin and other figures. Doon natin nakukuha, and they give us a free Miles Morales upgraded suit. So we chose this. Actually, pinapili nila kami kung ano, and this is the one that we chose. So buksan na natin sila. So ito, simulan natin sa Life of Fantasies. So dito sa Life of Fantasies, ilan ba yung figures dito? Yan. Ito yung mga figures na meron, and meron dalawang possible na secret. So here, ang parang mga gusto kong makuha, ito. Basta actually all, wag lang to. And I don't know why I'm not drawn to this, but yeah. Anything else aside from this is good. So, buksan na natin. Let's see. So, iside muna natin yung iba. Ito muna. I-unbox na natin. Let's go. Alright. So, kitang-kita natin kagad kung ano ang nasa box. Let's see first. So, we got... Ang ganda ng card, ah. Oh! 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 Ito yung nakuha natin. So, here, Sky. Tama ba? Mild Zephyr. Ito. Ang ganda ng card. It's see-through. Ito parang may damage kasi... Ay, hindi, may plastic pa siya for protection. Ganda ng design, ha? So, let's check the figure itself. Oh! Bigat. Oh, parang siyang babasagin. Ang ganda. Kahit kailan, sobrang ganda talaga ng mga gawa nitong, Elf series. Tsaka, ng 52 Toys. In fairness, napakaganda ng gawa nila ng 52 Toys. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Oh my gosh. Very beautiful. Oh, di ba yung elf na tutulog, tapos meron very beautiful. So, lagyan natin siya dyan. Yan, makita nyo. In fairness. So, let's see the other box. Open na rin natin. So, second box. Let's see. Open natin. So, let's go. This will be just a quick unboxing video anyways. So, ito yung pangalawa. Oh. What's this? So, yan. So, another wonderful, Whispering Breeze. Yan, lagyan natin dito. And, let's see what's inside. Oh, ang ganda na naman. Parang siyang babasagin talaga yung kind of plastic. Plastic na ba to? Ganda. Oh, look. Ang ganda. Very beautiful. See? Oh. Diba? Amazing. Parang every time that I buy this kind of series or this kind of toy or figure sa 52 Toy, it's really beautiful. Kunin ko yung the rest ng nakuha ko na before. So these are the things that I was able to get before. Look how beautiful they are. Napakaganda nila. O, di ba? Amazing. And ito yung nakuha natin for today's unboxing. Ang ganda! So, yan yung, sige, tigilid na natin sila dito. Yung mga nakuha natin before and then yung today. Now, so, done na tayo kay 52 Toys, dun sa mga sleeping elves. Let's open Miles Morales. Isa-side ko muna sila. Girls, gumilid muna kayo. Yan. Lady, let's go. So, yan. We have Miles Morales. So, quick trivia. Yung red na car kasi namin is named Miles. So, that's why the car was named after Miles Morales, Spider-Man. So, ito na. Open na natin siya. Let's see. I will display it inside this box. So, I won't be displaying it like outside. Pero pwede naman. Depende. So, anyways, I'll just go ahead and see here. This is not much of an unboxing since kitang-kita naman siya kung anong nasa loob, di ba? So, let's just see what's inside. Natatanggal ba to? I guess so. So, tanggalin na lang natin ganito. Oh! Bubblehead pala siya. I see. Nice. Ang ganda. So, pwede ba na siya ilagay din sa sasakyan talaga? So, yan siya. Nice. Very nice. Ang ganda. So, I guess, I'll think about it if lalagay ko siya sa sasakyan or not. So, ayun lang. Yan na yung pinaka-unboxing natin today. So, we've got great things. I have another full box to unbox next week. So, stay tuned. Kasi we still have this. The full box of Nook, the Kid. Meron na tayong na-open na box nito. And it's just that we loved it so much. Ang ganda nung laman niya. So, we took the chance to get the full box. So, abangan niyo yan. And, so I guess that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today dito sa ating quick unboxing. And I'll see you again next time. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Bye!